Good day everyone, another day, another tutorial. Welcome to Vin&Vil channel. Are you a teacher and is looking for an easier way to know who's best in each subject? Well, this video is for you. To know who's best in math, type equals index, then select the student name column, comma, type match, open parenthesis, type max, open parenthesis, select the math grade column, close parenthesis, comma, select the math grade column again, comma, put 0 to know the exact match, and to close parenthesis, then hit enter. To know who's best in science, type equals index, then select the student name column, comma, type match, open parenthesis, type max, open parenthesis, select the science grade column, close parenthesis, comma, select again the science grade column, comma, type 0 to know the exact match, type 2 close parenthesis, and hit enter. Repeat the process to know who's best in English, in history, and in art. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a nice day.